Kuala University, the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. Today, we will learn phonetics. Okay, are you ready to learn? Yes. Now we are going to learn. আমি শুধু সাউন্ডগুলো বলবো, আমি লেটার সাউন্ড দুইটাই বলবো, আপনারা শুধু সাউন্ডটা বলবেন, ঠিক আছে? Okay. The letter of A, the sound is a. Apple. The letter of B, the sound is ba. Ball. The letter of C, the sound is ka. Cat. The letter of D, the sound is da. Dog. Good, very good. The letter of E, the sound is a.